Hey guys, we're making some flank steak today on the griddle and shrimp. And shrimp, don't forget. We'll be right back. Hey, I'm just going to voice over this one because I'm outside with my family, listening to music and stuff. So, enjoy the cook.
Alright guys, we're going to throw the shrimp on first. So this is uncooked shrimp, you can tell by the gray color. And I always like to spread them out a little bit. How about medium-high heat? I'm going to throw some salt and some coarse ground black pepper. And of course the garlic. Salt, pepper, garlic. So mix them up a little bit. You can see they're already starting to change color. So these you really want to cook them until they start to curl up a tiny bit, and now they're pink. They're not going to take very long at all. Next we're going to throw in the flank steaks. These just have salt and pepper on them. So you want to scrape up any goodness that's on the griddle and mix it in with the shrimp. So you usually get some weird garlic, salt, pepper residue, shrimp residue on there. So just scrape it up and include it in there with them. And you'll end up with some nice, good looking, dirty looking shrimp. So you can see they're good color and they are curling up. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off. This isn't a real-time video. I did, this maybe was 5, 6, 8 minutes or so. Turn those burners off. Alright, now these flank steaks you want to do 5, 6 minutes aside. So go ahead and flip those, keep an eye on them, of course. Watch those clippers. So now I'm just kind of feeling them, seeing how they feel. Seem like they're probably about done. I did about 5, 6 minutes on each side. And this was a medium-high heat. So I'm going to go ahead and stab them here. And we're looking between 130, 135 for a nice medium rare. So these are done. Go ahead and pull them off. Watch these tweezers again. Ready? Boop. There's a nice close-up. Look at that dirty shrimp. Love it. And I actually didn't realize I was still recording. but I decided to keep it in the video. You can go ahead and fast forward to the end if you want. But this is me just cleaning the griddle. So first I'm scraping off anything I see on there. So any chunks or stuff that's on there. Then I like to spray some water down and look for the dirty spots. Spray the water down, you'll see the brown boil up. So let's go ahead and scrape that away. And really should only take a couple times. More time here. Alright, that might have been the one more time right there. Then I generally get some paper towels, roll them up in a ball, do one more water. Just kind of wipe it around, dry it all up. And then now just coat it with a light coat of oil. Rub that in.
Alright guys, that's it. It's that easy. Like 5-6 minutes aside. Hit them with the temp if you want. You want like 130, 135 to be medium rare. The shrimp, that was super quick, right? Go until they're pink, pop them off. You want them chewy. Salt, pepper, garlic on those. On the steaks, just regular salt and pepper. Yeah, easy, good stuff. Leave a comment below. We'll see you next time. Oh, don't forget to join griddleforums.com. That's right. See you there. Bye.